Hi students, how are you? Here is an interesting question. That is, it is iodine engine treated with NaNH2 forming aniline. Chlorobenzene treated with NaNH2 forming aniline. The rate constant of these two reactions is K1 and K2. What is the relation between K1 and K2? Either K1 is greater than K2 or K2 is greater than K1. And another one pair of reaction, that is para-nitroiodobenzene with NaOET, sodium ethoxide, that is iodine is substituted by OET, and here para-nitrofluorobenzene, fluorine is substituted by OET. The rate of these two reactions is K3 and K4. So we have to determine whether K3 is greater than K4 or K4 is greater than K3. So what is the relation between K1 and K2, and here K3 and K4? This question came in June 2018. So how will we determine the relation between K1, K2 and K3, K4? So for the first pair of reaction, we have to see how this reaction is going actually. So we have to see the mechanism of this reaction. If it is treated with strong base like amide in a liquid NH3, then this hydrogen will be absorbed by NH2. Then minus I minus, this is called benzyne intermediate. Benzyne intermediate, it will form. Then NH2 minus will attack then it will take one proton and form aniline. So this is the mechanism of this reaction. For chlorobenzene also it will be the same. Now in this reaction, in this mechanism, this is first step and this is slow step. So this is the slow step of this reaction. Similarly, for another reaction, it will be Cl. So Cl will be removed and an arine intermediate, benzyne intermediate will form. So this is the slow step of this reaction. Between these two slow steps, as we know that the Ci bond energy is less than CCl bond energy, because iodine has much larger size than chlorine. So Ci bond energy is less than CCl bond energy. We can see this bond decision energy of Ci is less than decision energy of CCl. So between these two steps, this will happen slower than this. So if the rate is, it is K1 and it is K2, so K1 is higher than K2, because CCl bond will break less easily than Ci bond. So we can say that K1 is greater than K2, because Ci bond will easily break. And on the other hand, another two reaction, that is para-nitroiodobenzene, if it is treated with NaOET, then what will happen? OET minus will attack this carbon, IOET, now this is a resonance stabilized anion. This is a resonance stabilized anion. Now in the second step, I minus will be removed. It will be OET NO2. So this is a two-step reaction. Here this is the slow step and this is the fast step. So this is the slow step of this reaction. Now for another substrate where there is a fluorine in the place of iodine, so it will attack and this type of complex will be formed. It is called Meitzenheimer complex. Meitzenheimer complex. So between these two steps, and it is now F minus will be removed. So this will be the product. This is fast. This is slow. Now between these two reactions, between these two slow steps, this will happen much faster than this. It will happen much slower because here the fluorine atom, which have very strong electronegativity, will make the carbon much more electrophile than this. So much more electrophilic, this carbon is much more electrophilic than this carbon. So nucleophile will attack this carbon faster than this. So this reaction will happen at a greater rate than this reaction. So if the rate constant for this reaction is K3, this is for K4, so K4 is greater than K3. K4 is greater than K3. So what is the explanation actually? For the first case, between these two reactions, this is the slow step of this reaction where this Ci bond is breaking. Now Ci bond dissociation energy is lesser than CCl bond dissociation energy. So this bond will break much more. This bond will break much more easily. So this slow step will be faster than this slow step. So K1 will be greater than K2. On the other hand, in this reaction, this is first step is the slow step, and here we can see that the strong electronegativity of fluorine make this carbon much more electrophilic than this carbon. So OET minus will attack much more easily to this carbon. So this slow step will happen at higher rate than this slow step. So K4 will be higher than K3. So students, if you have any doubt regarding this question, please let me know in comment box, and to get such interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.